Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable ANC for your headphones House of Marley Positive Vibration XL. To enable or disable ANC, at the left ear cup we have ANC button for it, and you need to press one time to enable ANC. If you see this LED light, it means that it's enabled. To disable ANC, you need to press also this button, and this LED light is turned off. Now, you can also disable ANC by swap to transparency mode, and near to the ANC button we have transparency button, what called monitor mode. And you just press on it, and you will also disable ANC, and you will enable transparency. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!